We're here today to launch Software Alliance Wales. We have a terrific morning lined up for you to listen to some of the most fascinating speakers in the field.
It is a pleasure to be launching a project that exploits new technologies and supports employers and practitioners in the software sector to identify and address skills in order to develop the knowledge economy.
And what's interesting in talking to companies today, they are at least as interested in attracting talented people as they are in working on research and development with universities. That's been a very important lesson and fascinating lesson for me in talking to companies over the last few years.
Software Alliance Wales is a £13 million pan-Wales European Convergence Area funded project.
Employment in IT is expected to grow at 1% a year, 10 times faster than the average across the economy of Wales. So we do need to ensure that we have a constant flow of high-skilled people, keen and able to take up computing and ICT as a career.
One of the strengths of this alliance is the fact that it's about the universities working with industry, working with the professional body, and also with the commercial accreditor as well. The software world is constantly changing. So in order for you to maintain your expertise, you must educate yourself, you must be involved in professional development. So that is very, very vital, and that is one of the key strands to the alliance.
Everything now has technology in it. So the point here is there is an opportunity for us to exploit the amount of technology we have in the world.
And one of the things I'm hoping Software Alliance Wales can help us with is what sort of software skills are we going to try and develop in Wales? In other words, what skills are we going to be good at?
We can therefore rely on the Software Alliance Wales to give us the tools to expand at an affordable rate. And when I say affordable, that means that we can reduce the commercial risk of new product development. We can look at new staff coming out of university, highly skilled staff, may I say, and we can test all those students before we actually take them on.
What you're doing here is a fantastic initiative. I think it's fully aligned with our thinking in terms of the way that we're trying to approach these problems globally, and also in terms of what we're trying to achieve as a company and some of the challenges we're facing in terms of getting people to develop new solutions to problems that we're all aware of in the world.
We've come to the end of what's been an exciting and interesting start to a project that I think promises to offer businesses and professionals within the ICT sector across Wales an opportunity to broaden knowledge, understanding and skills in the latest emerging technologies.
We're launching today the beginning of something that can genuinely make a difference in Wales.